Hey, I'm Scott, and I am an American in Bangkok. Now, let me tell you a little something going on here. Besides the weed chaos, and does anybody know what is really real? Listen, I'm not talking about that today. I'm talking about something else. I'm talking about the cut from 60 days to 30 days for the visa-free stays. I see an article that was out from yesterday afternoon in the travel and Thai world. And I thought it was very interesting because it says Thailand is making a significant shift in its visa policy, reducing the duration of visa-free stays for foreign tourists from 60 days to 30 days. This move, announced in March 2025, comes in response to the growing concern over visitors exploiting the extended stay for illicit activities, including unauthorized business dealings and illegal apartment rentals. So that's the reason why they're doing that, and there are several organizations, the Tourism Authority of Thailand, Thai Hotel Association, and Thai Travel Agents Association. They all have noted an increase in the number of tourists engaging in non-tourist activities. Now, listen, I don't know where they're getting their information or anything like that, but this has been out it's been March to April, April to May, May to June, almost 4 months now. And what it's saying is that now it's going to happen. They are going to cut the visa-free stay from 60 days to 30 days. It says it will happen shortly. Now, I don't know what shortly is. Shortly could be 2 days. Shortly could be 2 weeks. It could be 2 months. I don't really know. The reduction of the visa-free stay to 30 days is part of the broader effort to protect Thailand's tourism industry and ensure that tourists are adhering to the regulations that are set in place for genuine tourism purposes. Okay, I understand they're doing that. And you know what? Here's the thing. Before, some of these people had to go and get a visa. Right now, they don't have to. So if it's 60 days or 30 days, it's better than it was. I understand. Oh, well, we're used to having 60 days and a 30-day extension, but why can't we have that? But guess what? You don't have it. If they want to change it, they're going to change it. And listen, I don't know if it's right or not, but my guess is the people they're targeting, it probably is the right thing to do. They're concerned about the security for Chinese tourists and the tightening travel budgets from the people in North America and Europe. And I think what's going to happen is that people are going to come for short terms instead of for longer terms. So maybe 30 days is fine. I don't know. We'll see. The trend of micro-travel is becoming increasingly popular, with many tourists opting for shorter stays in key cities across Thailand. Seoul and Jeju in South Korea top the list of top destinations for a one-night stay in Asia, with Kuala Lumpur taking the top. What is this? Taking the top spot, followed by Seoul. I don't know what that means. It says Seoul. Oh, okay. Seoul and Jeju in South Korea top the list of top destinations for one night stay in Asia, with Kuala Lumpur taking the top spot, followed by Seoul, Taipei, and Manila in the Philippines. Thailand's capital, Bangkok, along with Pattaya, Chiang Mai, and Phuket, remain prime destinations for tourists looking for short, affordable getaways. Travelers who previously enjoyed the convenience of long stays in Thailand can still experience the country's offerings through quick trips and weekend getaways, while shorter visa stays may encourage a new generation of tourists to discover more Thailand cities. Yeah, I don't really know about that, but with digital nomadism growing in popularity, the reduction in visa-free stays could encourage some remote workers to reconsider their long-term plan plans in Thailand. However, the Thai government is still working on ways to attract remote workers and digital entrepreneurs with tailored visa schemes, and the Thailand long-term resident and other initiatives targeting remote workers. Now, I think that the amount of visas, the number of visas that are available to people, well, it's quite good. I don't think it can work for everybody, but I don't think Thailand has to worry about getting everybody to come here. They want 40 million. I think they're going to get like 30 million, 32 million this year. We'll see. For travelers considering short stays in Thailand, there is no shortage of must-see attractions and exciting experiences to make the most of their time. The Grand Palace, Wat Po, to the stunning beaches in Phuket and the endless activities to fill a one-night visit. I don't know who wants one night in Bangkok makes a hard man humble. Same with Phuket and Pattaya. You're going to be humble. You're going to be humbled. Chiang Mai and Ayutthaya offer a rich blend of history, culture, and natural beauty for those looking to explore the diverse regions of Thailand. Well, you're going to need more than one night for that. I mean, this is just crazy. With the continued rise of micro-travel and short-term stays, Thailand can still attract a variety of travelers while ensuring that its tourism infrastructure supports both short-term visitors and long-term residents. Well, I'm a long-term resident. I mean, I've been here for almost 31 years. Well, going on 31 years. And I don't feel like I'm not supported. I mean, I just live amongst the Thais. I don't understand what the problem is. With tourists, it's a different story. Thailand's government says they are committed to supporting the tourism industry with more innovative solutions to attract visitors, such as promoting ecotourism and sustainable travel. Well, I haven't seen it yet. I mean, okay, maybe Maya Bay, but where else? These strategies will ensure Thailand remains a sought-after destination for both domestic and international travelers in the years to come. Now, I want to see this. I really do. I want to see them pull this off. And I really don't know if they can make it happen. Supposedly, the government has introduced tax breaks and financial incentives for remote workers and entrepreneurs in an effort to make the country an appealing destination for long-term stays. While the 30-day limit may discourage certain travelers from staying longer, it could lead to an increase in short-term tourism, creating new opportunities in the hospitality and tourism sectors. Now, you know what? If you're going to be a remote worker here, I would say you're probably going to have to be a higher-end remote worker, somebody who's making serious cash. You're not just going to be somebody who's making, $1,000 a month or something like that. That's not going to work, okay? And I understand they're trying to do this, but you know what? I personally have my doubts of whether there really are enough digital nomads that want to come to Thailand that will make it a worthwhile endeavor. You have the Philippines, you have Cambodia, you have Vietnam, you have Laos, you have Malaysia, you have Indonesia. There's many places that people can go. And this is the thing. Their short-term stays also, maybe they're going to stay for a year, maybe 2 years, maybe 6 months. Maybe after 3 months they go, I don't like it here. So I'm not sold on this, but it does say that the limit, the number of days will be changed to 30 days shortly. I don't know what shortly means. So, don't shoot the messenger. That's all I got to say. Okay, until next time, I'm Scott. I'm an American in Bangkok. Chok di leo jerk en mai.